Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all sorts of Mitsubishi stuff, and today we'll have a look at this. So finally we have 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEVs coming in, and they do have a little bit different these accessories available than the gas version. So one of them is this hood emblem, which we're going to be putting on today. So shout out to Vince, by the way. That's the first person, Vince, who bought the hood emblem before I even had this video made up and officially listed. So Vince, I hope you have fun to installing this yourself. This is one of my favorite things to do, install these hood emblems. It gives so much visual effect and gives you quite a bit of a satisfaction that you did it yourself as well. So these here are a little bit different than the other ones that I've posted on the channel. So we'll have a look exactly how they look and how to put them on. So right now, I prepped the surface already, so I degreased it. Now it's time to put this in place and yeah, get going. So first we're gonna find the proper spot for this template. So whenever I'm gonna ship this accessory to you, which by the way can be found at mrmitsubishi.ca, it'll be a little bit folded like this just to save up some space. The key part here is to find its perfect placement, and then the rest is super easy. So this one here has this sort of like cut in there where the letter A is, and that has to be matched with the Mitsubishi logo with the upper part where it has to be. So we place it like this, and then the bottom line always follows the hood. Okay, so first we center this. Okay, I'm good there, and now I want to follow the hood line and go like this, and then the other side like this. Perfect, we got it. And then with the tape, any type of tape, masking tape or whatever, we just attach it in a few more spots to make sure it doesn't you know, wiggle around or anything like that. So again, find the spot. Oh, there we go. Yes, we're happy with this. And one right here. Cool, that's it. It's pretty good in its place. If you want, you can do one more. Always take your time, don't rush. It's not a competition or anything else, unless you make it a competition, but don't. The end result is gonna be much better. Okay, now we're good. Everything's placed in, and let's proceed to the fun part. So like I said, these ones are a little bit different. For PHEV, we have these blue letters that are outlined with this chrome look-alike element. Okay, so this looks a little bit different. It's made specially for PHEV, resembles the electricity and whatnot. So now it's quite simple. So we're gonna start with letter O. We're gonna peel it off like this, and then it's same like on the side molding letters, we have these letters right here. So we just peel it off. Since we found our perfect placement, it's easy to go in. Okay, there we go. First we're going to put a little bit, then we'll apply a little bit more pressure. If you want to, before you take the this off the double-sided tape, you can find, like, put it in here. Okay, this is where it has to be, and then you take it off, and then it's going to be good. Okay, again, don't rush, take your time, and one by one your work is going to be complete. Absolutely one of my favorite things to do. Letter L. And now the letter A. And we can see again how it's centered right here where the logo is. This is the most important part. Just get the center right. And everything is easy from there. Okay, and last two letters. And then we'll be able to enjoy the end result. Okay, E is going to be a little bit tricky because we have, just make sure you don't press it on top of the template there. There we go. Okay, now we can press a little bit more. When you do this, here's a quick tip. It's important, especially now that it's winter time and whatnot. When you do this, make sure the vehicle is in, like, you know, the heated garage or underground parking or something. Don't do it outside when it's cold. Don't do it outside when it's hot. Don't do it in direct sunlight. So you have to find like this proper, perfect weather, so to speak, and temperature. And once that's done, let the vehicle sit there for a little bit, and then you can apply this. So again, this is our demo car. We brought it from outside inside to do this, and the vehicle stayed overnight. So I don't want to do it when it's cold outside because it may just fly off at some point. Let it sit in for a few days, and then after that, it's safe to go through car washes and everything else. Very good, durable product. So okay, now let's peel this off, and let's enjoy the end result. And there we go. We just installed Outlander hood emblem that is specifically meant for PHEVs. Obviously, you can put any type of hood emblem that you want. We have chrome, satin, black, and this. But this one here was designed specifically for the Outlanders, PHEVs, with the blue lettering and a chrome outline. If you're going all chrome on your vehicle and other accessories, this one is excellent, excellent choice. So there we go. I hope you like the install process. I hope you like the end result. If you are interested to place an order for this particular hood emblem, so you can go to mrmitsubishi.ca, free shipping to most places, place your order, and I'll ship you out one. So thanks again for watching the video, and let's keep on accessorizing those PHEVs.